ZBox.com we have a large selection of seats, but today we'll be looking at a replacement seat for the John Deere X300 and X500 series lawnmowers. This seat has thick vinyl tightly wrapped into the plastic casing, and the plastic casing is made of high quality HDPE plastic, very rugged. To replace the seat, it's really simple. If this is your lawnmower, you flip up your seat. It should hinge on a bolt right here. Take out your seat sensor, set it down. It'll be hanging by a couple wires. Unloosen the bolt, take it out. Take your old seat off, put your new seat on, throw that bolt back in, twist the seat sensor back on, flip your seat back over. It's about that simple. Overall, the seat is made really tough with really thick materials and should last you many seasons. A bonus tip is to make sure you don't park it in the sun or let water sit in the seat. To get this replacement seat or any other parts for your machine, go to zbox.com. We have good prices and easy checkout. I'll put the link in the description below. Thank you very much.